Okay, take two. So just an update on the repair to the van door. So Vanessa went over to VW and they wouldn't fix it. They said they didn't do those kind of repairs. And so they recommended a place that would do the repair, which is just off the Red Cow roundabout in Dublin. And so Vanessa went down and left it in. Oh no, it only took them a couple of hours, didn't it? So it was only a couple of hours to fix. And basically, what did they say was wrong with it?
A bolt had worked loose.
A bolt had worked loose.
Yeah.
So I'd say
a bolt in the hinge had worked loose.
Okay, and I think I was right, and it was slightly misaligned. So I had a feeling that maybe the bolt was loose, but the wind cut the door that day and did the job. So they didn't have to repair anything or anything like that. It was just a matter of tightening the bolt.
Yeah.
And how much was the cost?
€113.
130 euro, 13
euro,
including VAT.
Yeah.
So you're looking
at
€100
and it was 13
euro in VAT.
0.5% VAT. Yeah.
Oh, 13% VAT. Okay, yeah, very good. Okay.
Well, it's preservists are providing, so.
So that was the thing. So the only thing was when you went back, there was still.
When I went back, the issue was actually worse than it was when I brought it down.
Okay.
So they handed me the keys, took their payment, and said, "There you go." She's outside in the car park. So I went out to it, and I opened the door, and I heard a big bang.
Okay. And
I went back in and I said, it's worse than it was when I left it down. There's a big bang on that door. And one of the men said, "No, it was there earlier. Was it not like that when you left it in?" I said, "No, most definitely not that bad." I said, "The whole reason we left it down was because there was a small bang and the door was misaligned." So he says, "All right, well, come on, we have a look." And then he started going, "Oh, look, there's rust there and that's going wrong and this." And I said, "I know, but the fact of the matter is that bang wasn't there earlier on. There's no rust."
All right, okay.
I said, "The fact of the matter is that bang wasn't there earlier on."
This camera's getting heavy.
And I don't care. And he
says,
"All right." So he called another fella over, and the other fella had a look, and the two of them were down looking at it. And then he went in and he got oil, and he brought the dirty oil can out, and he put it in on the cream carpet.
Did he?
And I said, "You wouldn't mind not putting that there, would you, please?" And he says, "Oh, sorry about that." So then he says, "Okay, I think we better bring that back into the body shop." So they brought it back into the body shop. I rang Jason, and I said, "I think you better come back down to me."
Okay, so then the long and the short of it is that they had realigned the door clearly.
Yeah.
But they hadn't tightened the bolt.
So I said to them, "Should somebody not have checked that beforehand?" And they said to me, "Well, we were only told that there was a strain on the door."
All right, okay. But the point is the door's fixed now.
Fixed now.
So a little bit of drama there at the end, but the door is fixed, so that's great. So what I'll do is I'll show you. So thanks very much, Vanessa.
You're very welcome. I'll go back in and make the dinner.
Job well done. So obviously, because I wasn't talking to them myself, I don't know exactly what they did, but Vanessa was saying there's a bolt in here that was loose and they redid something. So just looking at it, it looks like they did oil it all right. I can see that it's looking shinier. And then obviously when it opens, it's no longer rubbing. Obviously that's rubbed slightly. I'll have to get a bit of paint and do something with it. But then if you remember, the alignment was out, so that's all aligned, and that's the way out door. See, it's still a little bit out of alignment, but maybe that's just the way it hangs. At least that's not rubbing. So €113, easy money. Very good. This is Barry. Say hello, Barry. He's not here, he's a local stray. How are you? Oh. How's it going? Very friendly cat. Well, a big strong cat. Getting the rolls. Oh. Sorry, buddy. So that's the end of the drama. The door is obviously fixed. €113, bit of wind damage, but I have a feeling it was a loose bolt. Because like I said, I don't think I was imagining that it was a little bit out of alignment before. So, that's that. Bye.